Binalatan ko na tong 1 pound na squid at kasama na rin yung tentacles. At ibababad ko to sa fresh milk. Yan ang sekreto para malambot ang ating calamari. Wala lang akong ibang fresh milk kaya ginamit ko yung aking iniinom, soya milk. Ito na yung ating squid. Nakababad na ito magdamag. Lagyan na natin ang ating squid. Maglalagay ako ng 1 tablespoon ng calamansi juice. Maglalagay din ako ng egg white. Egg white na 1 piece egg. 1 teaspoon black pepper, ground black pepper. Half tablespoon ng garlic powder. Half teaspoon ng salt. At maglalagay ako ng cornstarch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoon ng cornstarch. At haluin natin. Isinama ko na yung tentacles kasi sayang naman. Maliliit pa tong squid, kaya hindi pa to makunat. Masyadong makunat. At binabad ko sa soy milk. Kaya malambot sigurado to. 6 na pirasong squid lang to, mga ganyan kahaba. Mga ganyan kahabang squid. Ayan, mainit na ang ating mantika. Lagyan na natin ang squid. Sandali lang itong hituin. Yan, pwede na to.
What is this?
My calamari.
Calamari?
Yeah.
Wow.
My favorite calamari.
It looks delicious. Let's see. Mmm. Better than the restaurant.
Of course. It's my homemade, home-cooked calamari.
How did you figure that out?
At ito yung mga tentacles. Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. And your formula for the vinegar is nice too.
Of course.
It's not too...
Pwede mong inumin yan. And you can drink it.
Okay. I'll drink some.
Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Let's eat.